Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. And here's a problem. If $B means A is a brother of B asterisk C means B is a son of C at D means C is a wife of D, and A number D means A is a son of D, how C is related to A. A little bit unusual question today because we given a code, and usually then we have to choose among different codes, but today we just have to choose between relationships. So let's just follow the logic and statements. So $B means A is a brother of B, so A is a brother of B. B asterisk C means B is a son of C, so B is a son, so we also include in the box of C. So both A and B has same parents because they are siblings and brothers. So one of the parents have to be C. We don't know yet who is going to be C, whether female or male, whether mother or father. So next, C at D means C is a wife of D. So now we know that we have to put C here, and she is the wife of D. So we can put D here. And A number D means A is a son of D, and we see that A is a son of D. And we also, with the last question, how C is related to A, we see that C is a mother of A. So this is answer D. Very easy question today. I hope everyone solves this problem correctly. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write the comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.